জগবন্ধু পরি জনে সামন্ত নাহি নাহি তো জগবন্ধু পরি জনে সামন্ত নাহি নাহি তো 14 ভুবন 12টা জানন্তি 14 ভুবন।
I extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest, Suresh Patel, and his gracious lady, Smita Patel. Thank you very much for taking time out of your busy schedule and be with us. Suresh, we know for sure one of us at ISKCON, you're one of our members. I wish to also extend a very special welcome to all the Kisumu devotees, and more special welcome to all those devotees who have come from far. Right, we have as many as 350 delegates out of Kisumu who are here present with us. The delegates have come from Mombasa, Nairobi, Nakuru, Eldoret, Kitale, and not forgetting Kampala, Uganda. That's terrific. That shows clearly your love and trust in Lord Jagannath.
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Jai Sri Lord Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Maiya ki Jai. So today is very auspicious day. We are here to celebrate Lord Jagannath's Rath Yatra. This Rath Yatra festival is not a new festival. It is very old festival. Since time immemorial, it was celebrated in India, Jagannath Puri, Odisha. But by the mercy of A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, this Rath Yatra went to West countries. It started 1967 in San Francisco, America. So we are actually indebted to A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. He gave us Krishna consciousness and such a way that anybody, even all the type of people can practice without any discrimination. This Rath Yatra festival celebrated only by Hindus in India. But by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, now this festival is celebrated throughout the world. Because Jagannath is not master or God of Hindus. He said, Sarva yonesu kaunteya aham bij pad prita. I am seed giving father of all living entities, all species of life. Therefore, Prabhupada when he introduced Krishna consciousness in Western world, same time he gave us festival. First festival was Lord Jagannath's festival. So in this way, today is a great day. I appreciate the management of ISKCON Kisumu, and they organized very nicely. Thank you very much, and thank you all of you. Please chant after me. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Rath Yatra Maha Mahotsav ki Jai.
रथ यात्रा महामहोत्सव की श्रील प्रभुपाद की हरे कृष्ण। तो वास्तव में आप सब लोग धन्य हैं और हम लोग भी साथ में हम सब भी धन्य हैं, क्योंकि आज इस जगत के नाथ श्री जगन्नाथ जी को हम लोग सबके दर्शन के लिए यहाँ से ले जाएंगे। जैसे वो प्रतिप्रभु ने कहा कि ये फेस्टिवल कोई नया नहीं है, अनंत 2-4 हजार साल पुराना है, क्योंकि श्री विग्रह के रूप में भगवान यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए। उनको द्विपरार्ध साल में से एक परार्ध साल जब विश्व का समाप्त होता है, ब्रह्मा जी का 50 साल, 51वां साल ब्रह्मा जी का चालू है, और इस 51वें साल का भी 28 चतुर्युगी निकल चुका है। और इस चतुर्युगी के प्रारंभ में श्री जगन्नाथ जी का विग्रह के रूप में प्रकट की और जगन्नाथ जी हुए। तो कितने पुरातन ये फेस्टिवल है ये आप समझ सकते हैं। लेकिन उनकी उतनी ख्याति पहले नहीं थी। उसका कारण ये था कि पहले विश्व में इतनी बस्ती भी नहीं थी, भारतवर्ष केवल सीमित था। और आज जहाँ तक बस्ती जो बढ़ रही है उसके अनुसार श्री जगन्नाथ जी भी अपने भक्तों के माध्यम से अपना विस्तार करते हैं। वस्तुतः जीव के कल्याण के लिए भगवान दो रूप में अपने आप को आविर्भूत करते हैं। एकम एवं सच्चिदानंद रूपम द्विविधम आविर्भूतम। एक ही सच्चिदानंद विग्रह जो भगवान श्री कृष्ण हैं, तो वो अपने विग्रह के रूप में, जैसे हम भगवान श्री कृष्ण को नहीं देख सकते हमारी इस प्राकृतिक दृष्टि के द्वारा, तो जो प्राकृतिक दृष्टि जिस वस्तु को देख सकती है, तो उस वस्तु के रूप में भगवान इस संसार में रहते हैं। एक रूप जो विग्रह के रूप में आप देखेंगे श्री जगन्नाथ जी का विग्रह, यह अद्भुत विग्रह किस प्रकार प्रकट हुआ, उनकी कथा आप लोग जानते हैं नहीं जानते हैं, लेकिन उनको जानना बहुत आवश्यक है। अभी तो समय नहीं है उतना बताने का, लेकिन वो विग्रह का जो व्यक्ति दर्शन करता है अपने आंखों से, साक्षात श्री कृष्ण का दर्शन के तुल्य है, उसमें कोई अंतर नहीं है। क्योंकि भगवान हम सब जिस वस्तु को देख सकते हैं, जैसे लकड़ी इत्यादि, तो हमारी प्राकृतिक दृष्टि में वो इस प्राकृतिक वस्तु में आविर्भूत हुए हैं, अर्थात वो साक्षात विग्रह है। और अनेक प्रकार की लीलाएं जगन्नाथ जी की सुनी जाती है उनके भक्तों के द्वारा, उन भक्तों के साथ जो उन्होंने आज तक जो लीलाएं संपन्न की, अद्भुत अद्भुत लीलाएं हैं। आप लोग अगर उनको पाठ करना चाहते हैं तो हमारे श्रील प्रभुपाद महाराज के भक्तों के द्वारा लिखित ग्रंथ है श्री जगन्नाथ जी, और उसमें नाना प्रकार की लीला अब तक जो चल रही है भक्तों के साथ वो देख सकते हो। जैसे उमापति प्रभु ने कहा कि ये समस्त जीव भगवान के अंश है, और श्री भगवान अपने आप को इसीलिए एक विग्रह के रूप में और दूसरे नाम के रूप में यहाँ पर अपने आप को प्रकटित रखते हैं। ये जो हमारे कृष्ण मंत्र बोलते हैं, राम और कृष्ण, ये भगवान का नाम है। श्री जगन्नाथ जी अनेक नाम है, अनंत नाम श्रीनाथ जी कहिए उनको, तो एक ही नाम है। वो समस्त नाम के रूप में भगवान प्रकटित होकर के जब हमारी जीभ पर यह नाम उच्चारित होता है, तो विग्रह और साक्षात दिव्य विग्रह श्री भगवान एक ही है, तो भी हमारे पर प्रसन्न होकर के हम लोग को अपने पुत्र के रूप में और अत्यंत वत्सल पुत्र के रूप में वो देखना चालू करते हैं। और जब वो अपना समझते हैं, तब हम कभी भी हमारे चित्त में जो माया के द्वारा दूषित विचार है वो टिक नहीं पाएंगे, है ना। तो धन्याति धन्य आप लोग हैं आज उन विग्रह का दर्शन करते हुए, और नाम के रूप में आपकी जीवा पर श्री भगवान साक्षात विराजमान होकर के आज आप लोग कीर्तन करेंगे। और इस प्रकार उन कीर्तन के द्वारा और विग्रह के दर्शन के द्वारा इस किस्म की जनता को हम लोग पवित्र करने का एक अवसर सुअवसर भगवान प्रदान करते हैं। और इसमें जितने भी सहयोगी आप लोग हैं, जो मेहमान गेस्ट है जो यहाँ आए हुए, खास करके जो इस सुरेश प्रभु और माता जी यहाँ पर उपस्थित है हमारे चीफ गेस्ट के रूप में, और यहाँ का जो खास करके श्री रमेश जी जो हमारे खास एक शुरू से अत्यंत एक घनिष्ठ मित्र रहे अलग इस मोमेंट के, उन्होंने लाइन भी दिया है हम लोग को, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद उन लोग को, और खास करके पुंडरीक प्रभु को और उमापति प्रभु और उनके साथ गोविंद प्रेम इत्यादि जो यहाँ के मैनेजमेंट में है, तो उन सब लोग को मैं धन्यवाद करूँगा कि आप सब लोग मिल करके हम लोग को प्रेरित करते हैं। यहाँ नाम के रूप में हमारी जीभ पर साक्षात कृष्ण प्रकट होंगे और विग्रह के रूप में श्री जगन्नाथ जी विराजमान है ही, तो हम लोग उनका पूर्ण लाभ लेंगे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम राम।
Thank you.
Suresh Bhai, thank you very much for gracing this occasion. I think this is the 25th or 26th Rath Yatra anniversary, Pundrik Prabhu. 26th anniversary here in Kisumu. Let's get a big round of applause for that. So I'm just going to keep it a bit shorter so that we can just move with time. Amongst us we have some spiritual leaders here. We have the leaders from Tangaza Catholic University, the Franciscan Brothers, and we also have Mr. Holians from the Baha'i Faith. Thank you very much for joining us. The beauty of the Hare Krishna movement is that it is unity in diversity. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, when he went to America, he went just for one reason, to show how the Vedic philosophy can be taught from people from the West. And this is ISKCON's beauty, that we are preaching Sanatan Dharma to people from different races, different backgrounds. And that is the same mood of the festival of Jagannath. This festival of Jagannath, in Jagannath Puri, only some certain people can get into the temple. But the Lord comes outside, and whoever sees him is eligible for liberation. It doesn't matter what your background is. So just like how everyone likes to go to a club to dance, the Rath Yatra festival is the dancing party of Lord Jagannath. Everyone comes to dance and chant. In the spiritual world, there are only three activities: chanting, dancing, and feasting. When you go to God, no one is going to work with a computer. Everyone is just going to be chanting, dancing, and feasting. So we are experiencing this chanting, dancing, and feasting while we are here in this world. How lucky we are. How lucky we are. And this was all possible by the mercy of His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. So lastly, I would like to thank the management of Kisumu for always holding this festival every year. This year we brought 150 devotees from Nairobi. We have, I think, so 150 from Eldoret. We have some from Kampala. We have His Grace Rupanuga Prabhu from India. We have many devotees who have come just for this festival, this party of Lord Jagannath. If you want to get this mercy, you have to dance in the festival. So now even the sun is going down, it's becoming cooler. So we hope that all of us can participate in this festival of chanting, dancing, and feasting. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Srila Prabhupada ki.
It is a moving temple, a journey of faith, devotion, and unity. It reminds us that the Lord doesn't stay confined within the temple walls. He comes out to bless humanity. What makes Rath Yatra so special is its deep symbolism. The chariot represents the human body, and journey symbolizes our spiritual path, the soul's journey towards liberation. When we pull the ropes of the Rath, we are not just pulling wood and wheels, we are drawing ourselves closer to the Lord. Let this be not just a celebration, but a transformation. May Lord Jagannath bless us all with spiritual wisdom. I would like to thank you all for giving your time to Lord Jagannath to make this festival.
At Jagannath Puri, India, which is on the western side of India. And the commentary is that the reason why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cleaned the temple is because in Kali Yuga, our hearts are dirty and we need to clean them. And it is mentioned that in Kali Yuga, the best way to clean our hearts is the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And it's not a joke, because when they were cleaning inside the temple, they were all chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, because they knew that is the best way to clean the heart. So in Kali Yuga, because the age of, we can't do a lot of meditation, the easiest way to clean our hearts, to invite Krishna in our hearts when they are clean, is to chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And last but not least, he also cleaned, according to that book, Chaitanya Charitamrita, he also cleaned outside the temple, not inside only. So when we are chanting Hare Krishna, cleaning our hearts, we need to be very careful of bad habits like fault findings, like envy, and so forth. So we all combine efforts and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra the way Chaitanya Mahaprabhu predicted, all the way. And as we come back here again, whoever will not be totally happy, you can see me, I don't have money, but I'll give you $1,000 if you are not happy. Hare Krishna.
Friends, ladies and gentlemen, actually trying to restrict because we go to be looking at the time as well, right? You know, because the Rath Yatra is going to take quite a bit of time as well. But very quickly, I would like to invite the manager of ISKCON Kisumu, Balakrishna Prabhu. Anything and everything in Kisumu, right? Running here and there, you do this, that, brochure, souvenir, you name it, and there is Balakrishna.
My humble obeisances to the chief guest, Sri Suresh Patel of Tufan Group, and all the senior devotees and bhaktas who travelled far away to participate in this auspicious event of Jagannath Rath Yatra. Special thanks to Sri Suresh Ji. Despite his recent health issues, he accepted our request to chair as the chief guest of the Rath Yatra inauguration ceremony. He is one of the familiar philanthropists for the Food for Life program for the vulnerable in society, also serving Shri Radha Madan Mohan in many ways, and also donating every year for the ISKCON Kisumu book marathon to spread Krishna messages. Lord Jagannath is Lord of the universe, is revered in Puri, Odisha, and is part of the Trinity with Balabhadra and Subhadra, representing universal existence, compassion, and harmony. He is known as the benevolent being, protecting the devotees and embodying the essence of love and grace. The large eyes of Lord Jagannath are a symbol of his omniscience and omnipresence for devotees all over the world. According to many ancient scriptures and beliefs, the eyes are regarded as windows to the soul, and Lord Jagannath's big eyes are the symbol of his divine vision and wisdom. This is the time to experience the divine, to connect with our spiritual heritage, and to be part of the community that rejoices in the Lord's presence. Rath Yatra is a significant event, and we are deeply grateful for your presence. Your presence makes the celebration even more meaningful. Whether you are the devotee or simply curious, we invite you to embrace the spirit of the festival and join us in chanting, singing, and offering our devotion. We encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity to experience the beauty of this divine procession, witness the vibrant chariots, engage in the chanting, and allow the divine energy to uplift your spirit. Let us together celebrate the joy of Lord Jagannatha visit and bask His divine grace. A big thanks to all the donors, congregations, and volunteers for the enthusiasm shown in organizing the Chariot Festival. Once again, thank you all for being here, and may this Rath Yatra be blessed and unforgettable experience for all of us. ISKCON Kisumu spreads its wings to Jinja, Kampala, and presently the 7-day satsang is on at SDM Temple, Jinja, by grace Atul Krishna Prabhuji. Surely, ISKCON Kisumu is missing him in this auspicious Rath Yatra. However, everyone in ISKCON is sowing the seed of Krishna consciousness in the fortunate soul. Without Krishna's mercy, no one can become fortunate. Hence, you all present here, our festival are surely blessed by His word. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. The chairperson, members, and their respective guests, Hare Krishna. On behalf of the Hindu Council of Kenya Kisumu branch, I stand before you with immense gratitude and joy. We are deeply honored to have been invited to this sacred and auspicious occasion of the Rath Yatra. To the organizers, we extend our heartfelt thanks for the kindness and for remembering us in this divine gathering. Your invitation is not just a gesture of respect, but also a beautiful reflection of unity and shared spirituality.
It's been really a great experience. Just when we came immediately, the prasad offering was very nice. So, and while just listening to all the glories of Jagannath from all the seniors here, I just have a few thoughts in mind. while we enjoy the festival today, and while we pull the Rath, we can just meditate upon inviting Jagannath to our heart and experience the love of Jagannath. And with those few words, thank you all and enjoy the festival today. Hare Krishna.
Rama
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,